Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Unplugged. So in this video, I'm gonna show how to check your Wi-Fi speed. So you all using Wi-Fi in your laptop, but do you know how to check your Wi-Fi speed? Don't go to browsers. I'm not saying that. So you can check one option in your laptop only. That how you can check your laptop Wi-Fi speed. You want me to show? Let's start it then. So what you can do is just click on Windows and then type control panel. It appears control panel, open that, and then you can see network and internet, right? And then here you can see network and sharing center. And then you see change adapter settings. Don't go to that directly. You can say here only connections, right? Just click on the Wi-Fi 2. I mean to say whatever the name you mentioned on your laptop to your Wi-Fi. Just click on that. Yep, here you go. Now you can see your IPv4 connectivity is internet, IPv6 and media state, and the SSID is, you see your Wi-Fi name here. It will appear. Don't comment on this Wi-Fi, do you allow me? Just for fun I kept this name. And you can see duration from how long I have been connected, and you see speed. This is the speed of my Wi-Fi, and the signal quality, you see it is very good. So yes guys, this is how you can check your Wi-Fi speed in your laptop. And how do you speed up your Wi-Fi speed? So guys, there is no specific thing in laptop. There are a few options or settings how you can speed up your Wi-Fi, but I would not recommend those options because those are those are not recommended option even in Windows as well. Okay, let me show you that. Yeah, click on configure. Now you can see advanced. So here you get one option called here you get a few options how to speed up your laptop. So based on that you can select that and click on OK. Then your Wi-Fi will increase bit faster, I would say, but that I would not recommend, guys. If you want speed up your Wi-Fi, then use Wi-Fi boosters that available in uh, Amazon or Flipkart. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you.